How to withdraw money from MetaMask. Now, first things first is you have to have an exchange like maybe Binance or Coinbase. Now, from Coinbase, if you're using Coinbase, all you just have to do is to generate a deposit address. To do that, you need to make sure that the network and the coin will be matched on your exchange from Binance. You'll just have to press deposit You'll just have to press deposit crypto from your Binance exchange and then enter the network and the coin, Ethereum. Now, once everything is set up, you will be able to generate a deposit address. Now, you just have to copy that deposit address, and from here, you have to double check if everything is set, like the network and the coin, Ethereum, and then go ahead and click on Ethereum. From here, you just have to press send. Now, what you need to do here is you need to paste the deposit address from Binance if you're using Binance as an exchange. And after that, you'll just have to press on continue. Once you press on continue, enter the amount and then go ahead and submit. So that's how you withdraw money from MetaMask.